Alright, so here we are. Gonna go have some fun boating. Some birds out there. I bet you they're gonna run when they hear this. What happens if I lose my boat? That'd be the end of it. Gonna take time for it to float. So here we go. Let's go get them. Well, they already ran. That's how far it got, and they ran. So let's go have some fun. Beautiful, calm water. Now, can you see the boat with the GoPro? Let me know when you see it. Oh, there's the sun. And there's a beautiful turn. Okay, if I lost control and it was out there, I would just sit and wait for the boat to come back. I would get myself another boat to go retrieve it. Man, that took like 8 seconds to gain the speed. Sun's in my eyes. Oh man, that made a nice little wake. Sharp turn. Let's see if we could go around. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Daring. That's probably the key point of the video. I won't do that again. Love it. Drives a nice straight line. Full throttle, nothing less. Right there is a little branch. Big difference from a rough current to smooth current. I turn around, I don't go super far. Now, what if I lose signal? It means I gotta go walk. "15 minutes of fun." Beautiful long circle. Look at that. I gotta cut it and go far out now. Nice rooster tail, that's what I'm looking at. All right, I lost my signal right there. And I'll come back. Because I saw the rooster tail not go up. It just hesitated. Watch the splash. To me, it's like a little slow. I'll keep it nearby shore. Oh! Whoa, man. I went right at the edge of that little tree stump. There's two trees right there between them. See if I could do the same lostness over there. I'll turn around. You're not going to see it. I saw it. I'll go on the inner side of the branch. I'm going to stay nearby now. I feel like I'm losing horsepower. Still got the power. All right, I lost power. Now I'm going to just come back on slow power. I'm just gonna go through this nice and comfortable. I'm gonna go walk over to it. I have plenty of power to come back. At least I could take a step on the rock and go get it.